killed the snake. That one right there. It's already dead. We're gonna see how bad earthquake flips out. Little fucking midget. Trying to see what's going on with my phone. Making some weird noises coming from in, but I don't know if it's that much trouble. So just oil changes, air filter, replace the fluid. You know, take it to a good old righteous ride. Righteous ride.
Oh shit! What the fuck?
It's a snake.
Where the fuck did it come from?
I don't know. Did you step on it?
Has it been here all morning?
I've never seen it.
What the fuck?
I came out from underneath that rock. Scared away.
It's fucking dead.
No, it's not.
Really?
I don't know.
Fuck out of here.
Oh!
Oh, it's alive! What the fuck?
Oh my god.
Its head smashed in. Whew.
Oh my god. Oh, Jesus.
Fucking eat this son of a bitch.
Eat it. Eat it.
Ooh. Got almost 7.
Still a lot.